The timeless mystery of the pyramids. New discoveries in ancient engineering marvels. The pyramids of Egypt, especially the Great Pyramid of Giza, have fascinated humanity for over 4,500 years. As the last standing wonder of the ancient world, these awe-inspiring monuments continue to reveal mysteries hidden deep within their stone walls. Thanks to advancements in modern technology, the Great Pyramid of Giza, constructed during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu around 2560 BC, was originally a 146-meter tall masterpiece, holding the title of the world's tallest structure for over 3,800 years. While it is often thought of as just a pharaoh's tomb, new evidence suggests there may be more to the pyramid's purpose than meets the eye. Recent discoveries. In recent years, archaeologists have employed cosmic ray scanning, an advanced technology that uses high-energy particles from outer space to scan through solid structures. In 2017, this technique revealed previously unknown voids or hidden chambers within the Great Pyramid. These discoveries have reignited questions about the pyramid's construction and potential secret chambers that may still be unexplored. The largest of these voids is a 30-meter long space, located just above the Grand Gallery, which could potentially house ancient treasures or provide new insights into how the pyramid was built. The engineering marvel of the pyramids. One of the greatest mysteries of the pyramids has always been how the Egyptians moved and assembled such massive stones, some weighing up to 80 tons, without modern machinery. Recent excavations have shed new light on this. Archaeologists discovered remnants of an ancient water transport system, which they believe was used to move the huge limestone blocks from quarries to the pyramid construction site. This discovery suggests that water channels played a critical role in moving these colossal stones with far more efficiency than previously thought, highlighting the Egyptians' advanced engineering skills. Celestial alignment and mystical theories. The Great Pyramid's alignment with the cardinal directions and certain stars has long intrigued both historians and scientists. Its orientation is incredibly precise, aligned to within fractions of a degree of true north. Some scholars believe that this alignment was no accident. The stars, particularly Orion's belt, may have held special significance to the Egyptians, with the pyramids serving as celestial observatories or even portals to the afterlife. This theory connects the pyramids to ancient Egyptian religion, where the pharaohs sought to align their earthly rule with the divine cosmos. Pyramid energy theories. A modern twist to the pyramid's mystery is the concept of its energy properties. Some researchers theorize that the pyramid's shape and materials may have been designed to harness natural energy fields. While largely speculative, this idea has captured the imagination of many who believe the pyramid could have had a role beyond that of a mere tomb, perhaps serving as a source of spiritual or physical energy. Today, archaeologists are pushing the limits of exploration within the pyramids using robotic technology. Specially designed robots are able to traverse the narrow passages of the pyramid to explore areas inaccessible to humans. This has led to the discovery of new shafts and chambers that could hold even more secrets about how the pyramids were constructed and what they were truly used for. While the engineering and construction of the pyramids are staggering, their cultural legacy is just as impressive. The pyramids symbolize the power and ingenuity of the ancient Egyptians, and their mythology, artistic symbolism, and religious significance have influenced countless civilizations. Thank you for watching. Please like it and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.